how to hide messages content in notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide the messages in your iPhone when it is locked and make sure that you can only view the messages when it's unlocked. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your settings, scroll down a bit and go to notifications. Now scroll down again and then just tap on the app, and you'll need to scroll down and you can see lock screen appearance. Under it, tap on show previews, and if it is set to always, then you need to tap on when unlocked. Now you'll be only able to see the messages content after you have unlocked your device. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.